Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set screen off time on your Windows 11. So if you want to save your energy, if you want to like uh, save your electricity bill, you can try to turn off your screen when you idle. So first step, you can try to click on Windows logo and click on settings. Here, jump into the system. Try to find power option. Click it, and here we go. There's a screen and sleep option. Again, you can click. On my Windows version, there is no sleep option, only screen off. When plugged in, turn off screen after 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes and maximum if never turn off, but 5 hours it's too long, and minimum if 1 minute, so you can turn off your screen when idle. I recommend you to turn on or set into 3 minutes or 5 minutes to activate the energy saving recommendation. This one, turn off my screen after 3 minutes. You can apply in here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.